Then said Jesus to them again, Peace be unto you. As my Father hath sent me, even so sent I you. May God bless you. Amen. Tin isuanan hena in chunga thlamuan na omro se pa in kei mitir ang bokin katir seu hi atile a pa in isu atir angin isuan mintir lalpan malsom se ro se. Amen.